Welcome to AeroAuto Adventures. Today, we're diving into the future of speed and technology with the Rimac Nevera, the world's fastest electric car. With a mind-blowing acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.85 seconds, this car is not just a machine, it's a masterpiece of engineering. Let's start by talking about its design. The Rimac Nevera is a perfect combination of beauty and aerodynamics. Its sleek carbon fiber body, aggressive lines, and futuristic LED lights make it one of the most eye-catching cars on the planet. But it's not just about looks. Every part of this design serves a purpose for performance and efficiency. Moving inside, the interior is a blend of luxury and innovation. From premium materials to a fully digital cockpit, the Nevera ensures that drivers experience comfort and cutting-edge technology at the same time. Now, let's talk performance. This car delivers an insane 1,914 horsepower thanks to its 4 electric motors. And with a top speed of 258 miles per hour, 412 kilometers per hour, the Nevera is rewriting the rules of what electric vehicles can achieve. We'll be putting it to the test on the track to see how it handles acceleration, cornering, and, of course, speed. Beyond the speed, Rimac Nevera is packed with advanced technology. Its massive 120 kilowatt-hour battery not only offers a range of over 340 miles, but also powers one of the fastest charging systems in the world. Plus, it's equipped with AI-driven driving modes and autonomous capabilities, making it a true tech marvel. So, what are the pros and cons of this incredible car? Let's break it down. Pros: zero emissions, unparalleled speed, stunning design, and cutting-edge technology. Cons: a hefty price tag of $2.4 million and limited charging infrastructure. But here's the big question. Is the Rimac Nevera just a luxury toy? Or does it represent the future of electric vehicles? With its incredible capabilities, it's clear that this car is more than just a status symbol. It's a glimpse into what's possible when innovation meets passion. What do you think? Is the Rimac Nevera the ultimate electric car? Or is it just an expensive gadget for the elite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AeroAuto Adventures, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content about the future of mobility. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.